Let's solve a couple applications using multiplication of decimals. So this first one we have here, it says to buy a Jeep, you can pay 15,000 in cash or put down 4,750 and can make 24 payments of 65, or excuse me, let me say it right, $665.10. How much would you save by paying cash? All right, so first thing is I'm going to take this $665.10 and I'm going to multiply that by 24. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26, carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Now, I'm going to start in the second column with the 2 here. So I'm going to say 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And now let's add it all up. Of course, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 6 plus 0, 6 plus 3 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, bring down the 1. And I look here, I have 2 decimal places here, I have 0, so I'm going to move the decimal 2 places to the left, 1, 2. So now I have 15,962.40 cents. Okay. So what I want to do now is, okay, so this is what I would pay in 24 payments at $665.10. All right. So what if we add on the down payment? Because that's what we're going to do, right? The down payment plus these 24 payments. So let's add it on. We got 4,750. I'm going to put on the change just to line it up. So 0 plus 0, 4 plus 0, bring down the decimal. 2 plus 5 is 7, 6 plus 7 is 13, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 4 is 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, and bring down the 1. So I'm just going to be a little neater and bring it over here. So it's going to be a total of $16,437.40. Now, let's find the difference between if you just buy the Jeep for $15,000 in cash versus your payments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 15,000 and subtract it from the $16,437.40. So 0 minus 0, 4 minus 0, bring down the decimal, 7 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 4 minus 0. 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 1 minus 1. So in this case here, and you could double check your math just to make sure it came out right. But in this case here, there's a difference of $1,437.40. So I'm going to just take a moment. I'm going to say $665.10 times that 24. I'm just double checking my math. So I got 15,962.40. Let's add on the 4750, which is $4,750. And I get, okay, there was a calculation error, and I see what it is now. And that's another thing that you may want to be neater about. So I'm going to do that right here. I want to be a lot neater with this because my math was wrong right here. I just caught it. So let's redo this. So this part was right. You know, the $665.10 times the 24. I had that part right. I saw what I did wrong on my math just a while ago. I had 1 plus 5 plus 4, and I did not, it would have been 10 and would have carried the 2, carried 1 over. And I saw what I did then as soon as I did it. So it would be helpful to have a clean workspace. If you have to erase something, just kind of exit out or circle it or whatever and move over and redo it because it gets too messy. It's hard to read. So now I'm gonna add on the 4,750. It's a little bit neater here. So 0 plus 0, 4 plus 0, bring down the decimal, 2 plus 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, carry the 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7 is 17, carry this, 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 4 is 10, carry the 1. So you see my error there is a big difference. I thought it didn't look right. So it doesn't hurt to check your math. Also, just if your paper becomes too messy, you definitely want to clean that up. So this here is going to make a big difference. So 2 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 7 minus 0. Okay, so I'm going to have to borrow here because I can't take 5 out of 0. So I'm going to borrow, make that 10. So it's going to be $5,712.40 is the difference between paying cash versus making payments. So you're going to pay $5,712 more and 40 cents more than you would if you just outright bought it with cash. All right. The next example says the sale price of a new washer is $530. Sales tax is 10%, which is 0.10 times the price. What is the total amount paid? So what you would do is you'll take the cost of the washer and you're going to multiply it by the 10%. So it would have been 10%, and they wrote it in decimal form for us. Of course, 0 times anything gives me 0. My 1 is going to start in the second column, so I'm going to scoot over. 1 times 0, 1 times 3, 1 times 5. Let's add it up. The only reason I didn't worry about this 0 is because it's in front of the decimal and it's just a 0, so I know the next lines will be 0. But if it was behind the decimal and between the 1 and 0, we would want to factor that in. All right, so let's add it all up. This has 2 decimal places. This one has 0, so we're just going to move it 1, 2. So we have sales tax of $53, and we're going to take the 530. Let's add the sales tax to it, and we will pay with taxes $583.